Alright, so for those of you who are new here, my name is Marlo. You might have seen me on TikTok. And you wanted to find out how to trade, so you come here to find out, right? Nice. So, if it is you don't know anything about cryptocurrency, I'm going to understand there and explain it to you, right? I'm going to try and condense it as quickly as I could, so we go to it. Now, I put on this video here to help those of you who need help. I know I would have reached out to some of you I might not reach out to yet. I try and it's real thing going on, right? Anyhow, so what is cryptocurrency? So essentially, cryptocurrency is a digital form of money. Now we have this money here. I let everybody know. Now the different kinds of this is the EC dollars, Jamaican dollars, US dollars, pounds, whatever. And so there are different types of this, the same way there are different types of cryptocurrency. So you can see a whole list of them. You don't find out what all of them mean right now. Just know that different types of cryptocurrencies, right? Nice. So now that we know what crypto is, and so what we just do with it. So there's for the purpose of this is to trade it, right? Now in order to get crypto, you need something to put your crypto. To put your crypto, you will need something called an e-wallet, right? An e-wallet is essentially a bank account for your crypto. So just like how you have whatever bank you have a crypto wallet, right? To match it to be able to store and move your crypto around. So how you just get crypto? There's buy crypto peer-to-peer. Now, crypto isn't illegal, but it is frowned upon by the financial institutions of Trinidad and Tobago. I don't know where you're watching this from, right? But it's like that. So we have to buy peer-to-peer. So we can actually use credit cards or bank cards to buy crypto. We need to buy from people who already have it in Trinidad, right? So what you do, you will find someone that's selling crypto, and then you will then purchase it from them. So how will this work? You have your paper money. The polymers, whatever money you have your money, and you're going to find somebody who's selling you crypto. So you will say, Marlo, I want some crypto to buy. You would give me this, and I would send the equivalent of how much ever this is in crypto to your e-wallet, and that is how you get in crypto. And when you're ready for your money, you would then send me back the crypto, and then I will give you this in exchange. So that is how you just buy and sell crypto. Right, have an exchange rate, forget about that for right now, we're pushing on. So now that you have crypto and somewhere to keep it, what we just do, we just trade with it. Now trading is essentially, now I know that somebody who might want to fight me down, but for the sake of ease, trading is basically buying and selling currencies and stocks in a short space of time. We just do binary option trading, or they could go on other YouTube or wherever and look for it. Binary option trading is what we just do. And it just give you entries in and out of the market quickly. We just stay between 2 minutes, I would say 1 minute to 5 minute trades, right? To cover that spectrum. Now, since we know what we just do with it, how we just actually get to do with it. What you would need is a broker account. Now, we have digital, we have mobile, we have whatever telephone companies you have in your country, and essentially they're offering the same thing. They'll be able to call people, internet, text, whatever. Right? So the medium doesn't matter, but the service is the same. Thinking about your broker just like that. Plenty different brokers that offer the same thing that end up on the financial markets. We just use one called Cotex because we just use that, so we can recommend that to you. When you sign up for a Cotex account, which is very simple to do, all you need is one form of ID, and you would need your normal name and email information and stuff like that, right? So pretty simple to do. Through the whole duration of this video, you could do that, set it up, right? So after you set up a broker account, what we would then do now is call live trades for you. We call live trades on Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and then Monday to Thursday, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Right? We go in the live financial markets with you, live together, everybody same broker, we're watching the same screen, and we will tell you what to input into the trading systems. You don't need to know how to trade. Right? We also offer education on it on certain days out, an itinerary where it is you'll be able to learn about trade and learn how to actually trade. But the service primarily is to be able to get profitable trades. Now on the topic of profit, I don't want to give anybody unrealistic expectations. In life, in business, there are losses and there is things that has happened. Now, losses almost guaranteed to you in trading, right? So don't come here and think your next year you're going to make a millionaire, chance that it will not. However, once you remain profitable and you win more than you lose, you will be in a good position, right? So now, alright, cool, boom, we broker set up, we trading, right? So we coming on live, we get real trades, I learn about it on certain days. Alright, I get back my money, what do I do? You take your crypto, as I say, you send it back to whoever, me or whoever you're comfortable with, they'll give you the money and they cash it out. And essentially that is what they're doing. And that is what trading is, and that is what the MGK service is, and that is what we're doing here. attached to the platform, there is also an affiliate program. Now, this is not an MLM. I'm not going to get any money from anybody you bring in. You do not need to recruit a soul. The service is getting profitable trades in order to enter onto the financial market. So you don't need to know what to do. We are telling you exactly what to do, word for word, step for step, button for button to click. Right? So it's almost dummy proof. So take out all the guesswork out of what it is we're doing. Right? So after we do that, we have the, as I said, the packages to get started is 50 USDT, which essentially costs you $410. That is at a rate of 8.2. So $410 is for the morning package. And if you want the morning and nighttime package, that would be 75 USDT. That would allow you to trade in the daytime 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and in the nighttime 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. That would be 75 USDT. And at a rate of 8.2, that would be $615 to get that session. Right? That would be 75 USDT. You then need to fund your broker account. You can start with a minimum of 10 USDT, which is $82 essentially, $80. Right? That would be 10 USDT. But we're currently 10 USDT. However, I would recommend about 50. The reason being, if you do get the losses, you will be able to still be in the game fighting because you'll have enough money to take a little hit. And when you do enter trades, you'll actually see a little money from entering trades as well. Right? So it's a nice little sweet spot at the beginner level. Right? So as we say, $82 will be to start with the 10, and it will be like $410 to start with the $50. Right? So we're looking at about $1,025 bare minimum to start ideally. Right? So keep that in mind, about $1,025 to start ideally bare minimum. Past results does not indicate future success. Now the last week here we had, as of making this video, we was on 21 wins and 2 losses. Not because we get that, maybe we don't always get that, it has happened. Right? But I just want to give you the idea of what the service is and what we just kind of provide. Right? So if you just want to get started in that, even if you don't know anything about crypto and you need a crypto wallet, reach out to me. Or if it is already doing crypto and you already have your stuff and you just want to get started on the opportunity, reach out to me. Right? Before I go, I want to leave you with something. Right? If we ever talk, chances are I would have told you about the red cat theory. If you never talk to me, we have never had a conversation, I wouldn't tell you what the red cat theory is. The first time I heard it, it blew my mind, and I was hoping it blew everybody's mind too when it is here. So essentially, the red cat theory goes as such. If I tell you, or if I ask you how much red cats you see today, you're going to tell me none. Right? No, one. You're not studying it. But if I was to tell you $100, I'll give you $100 for every red car you see, then all of a sudden you will see plenty red cars. Right? So all of a sudden, opportunities are the same thing. It's only there if it isn't looking for it. Right? So you need to look for the opportunities in order for it to present itself. It's all around us. Right? And don't let this one be the one that that's lay past now. I mean? So this could be an opportunity. So what I need to do is empty the cup you have and fill it with new information. Like try something. If you keep doing the same thing, then you get the same results. Right? And that's the definition of insanity. So try something new, give it a go. Right? If you need any assistance will be provided to you. Just reach out and never too far. Right? Did I talk about the affiliate program? I did not. So there's an affiliate program attached to the platform where you will get up to 40% of somebody's initial investment. That's telling you, it's not an MLM. There is no need to recruit anybody. The service is a copy trade. However, if it is you want to tell somebody about it, they will be compensated for doing so. So let me say somebody else to the 75 USDT package, then you will get $30 USD paid directly to your bank account, which is $210 per referral. Which is cool. And if you don't want to do it, you know how to do it, it's up to you really and truly. But it is there as an option for you to do, right? But remember, the power is in learning to trade. If you have been in a group, you would have seen some of the trades that I have taken. My results and wouldn't necessarily be your results, but it's an indication of what is possible. Cool. So if you want to see, just let me know and we will fight upon the talk, right? So with this, I will leave all there. As I say, any questions that you have, feel free to comment down below, shoot my message, whatever, get in contact. Please watch this video as I put in it out. I put a little effort into trying to help all along the way. For those of you who already gotten help, you know how it does function. Right? So I think that is it, and well, all the best to all. I'll see you on the next side.